Hey everyone, let's go straight to the point. We'll be creating a YouTube thumbnail that's eye-catchy enough because trust me, that's what determines how your video is perceived at first sight, that is. Yeah, I mean most YouTube videos that have blown out of the blue mostly because of the thumbnails, because that's like the first contact an outsider has with your content. So let's head over to Canva and look at what you could do. Now we click on YouTube thumbnails, and there are a couple of designs that are gonna appear right here. Yeah, so these are how a couple of thumbnails could look. These are nice ideas in case you already have an idea, but we have an idea here. Yeah, so first of all, we need a bright color. It's very recommended to use bright colors because like they just seem to be more appealing and more eye-catchy. So let's pick a color. Let's say a gradient. Yeah. Okay, I think this should work. And the next thing, we need to put some text. I think this is all about thumbnails, right? So let's say rather than writing YouTube thumbnails, we just put YouTube here and then write thumbnails. I think that should be more time saving. Thumbnails. Yeah, I think this should work. Nope, I think the format is much better. Yep, also I like to put my channel logo in the yeah, I like to put it somewhere at the bottom. Mind you, you don't really have to stress when creating a YouTube thumbnail. Trust me, most times it's not even worth it. Just make sure you can convey most of the information about the video, at least in the first sight of the thumbnail. Yeah, I don't know if that makes any sense, but I think we should give it some background or some shadow, something. Let's see background. Honestly, yeah, I think. Yeah, I think this is much better. So also, I want to give it a picture. I took this backgroundless picture. Yeah, I think this should work. I think we should add something extra. Let's see the secret of thumbnails. Let's see. The secrets of, yeah. I think it's a nice touch. The secret of thumbnails. So we didn't really write so much, and this conveys kind of some information about the YouTube video, which is all about thumbnails. So I think this actually works. Yeah. It looks standard enough. So at this point I could save it. I would recommend 1920 by 1080, although you could use 1280 by 720, but as far as it's 16 by 9, it should be good. Yeah, so I think that's it actually. Yeah, and now we have created a YouTube thumbnail. If you found this video educative, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, let us know your audio, and see you in the next video.